Hello and welcome. Do you think Chinese tenses are difficult? Here's some good news. Chinese verbs don't change their form like English verbs do. In English, we say, I eat, I ate, I am eating. But in Chinese, the verb can stay exactly the same. For example,
吃
吃
to eat. Instead of changing the verb, Chinese usually uses time words, particles, and context to show when an action happens. Today, you'll learn 5 simple patterns that will help you talk about the present, completed actions, past experiences, actions happening now, and the future. Let's get started. 1. Present. Habits. Subject plus time plus verb plus object. Let's start with the easiest one.
我喝咖啡
我喝咖啡
I drink coffee. Notice something important. We don't need to add anything to.
喝
It simply means drink. If you want to show that something happens regularly, add a time or frequency word.
我每天喝咖啡
我每天喝咖啡
I drink coffee every day. The basic word order is subject plus time plus verb plus object. So,
我每天喝咖啡
I plus every day plus drink plus coffee. 2. Completed actions. Verb plus.
了
Now imagine you have finished eating. You can say,
我吃了早饭
我吃了早饭
I ate breakfast. Here we add
了
after the verb.
吃了
Eat, arrow, ate, have eaten, depending on context. But here's an important point.
了
Doesn't simply mean past tense. It usually tells us that an action is completed. For example,
我昨天买了一本书
我昨天买了一本书
I bought a book yesterday. Look at the order.
我昨天买了一本书
I plus yesterday plus bought plus a book. Again, the time word.
昨天
Comes before the verb.
了
Doesn't simply mean past tense. It marks that an action is completed. 3. Past experience. Verb plus.
过
Now, let's talk about something you have experienced before. For this, Chinese often uses
过
after the verb.
我去过中国
我去过中国
I have been to China. This does not focus on exactly when you went. The important idea is you have had this experience before. Another example.
我吃过中国菜
我吃过中国菜
I have eaten Chinese food before. So remember,
过
does not focus on exactly when something happened. The idea is that you have had this experience before at some point. 4. Action happening now.
在
Plus verb. What if you are doing something right now? Use
在
plus verb. For example, your friend calls you and asks,
你在做什么
你在做什么
What are you doing? You answer,
我在吃饭
我在吃饭
I'm eating. Key point.
在
Placed right before the verb signals an action in progress, similar to English ing. Another example, mom is cooking.
妈妈在做饭
妈妈在做饭
我正在学习中文
我正在学习中文
I'm studying Chinese right now.
正在
Puts even more emphasis on the action being in progress. 5 future plans. Structure.
要
Plus verb. Finally, let's talk about something you plan or are going to do. One common pattern is
要
plus verb. For example, I'm going to the supermarket.
我要去超市
我要去超市
Another example, I'm going to work tomorrow.
我明天要上班。
我明天要上班。
Remember
要
has several meanings in Chinese. It can also mean want or need. Here, with a future time or clear context, it can express something you are going to do. Let's compare all 5. Now let's use the same verb so you can clearly see the difference. Our verb is
吃
to eat. 1. Habit.
我每天吃早饭。
我每天吃早饭。
I eat breakfast every day. 2. Completed action.
我吃了早饭。
我吃了早饭。
I ate breakfast. 3. Experience.
我吃过中国菜。
我吃过中国菜。
I've eaten Chinese food before. 4. Happening now.
我在吃早饭。
我在吃早饭。
I'm eating breakfast. 5. Future.
我明天要吃中国菜。
我明天要吃中国菜。
I'm going to eat Chinese food tomorrow. Great job! Tari learned 5 simple ways to talk about time in Chinese. Remember, Chinese verbs don't change like English verbs. Once you understand these patterns, talking about time in Chinese becomes much easier. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next lesson.